What's up, YouTube? Back here with another unboxing with y'all. Alright, let's get right into it. What's up? Y'all enjoying this content? Subscribe. If y'all sitting here watching this video and y'all ain't subscribed, let's get here and hit that subscribe. Let's get in this. Hit that subscribe button. Let's keep on climbing up in here. I'm new at this. I ain't really worked on a lot of things that I should be working on, but bring that content consistent to y'all. I'm still learning, but hey, that's how you get it done, right? I got some Jordans for y'all. Let me see what we got here. These are Air Jordan Retro 10s. This is my first pair Air Jordan Retro 10s, I'm sure. Social Supremacy. So let's see what we got here. Take it back. I think these are Air Jordan 10 Paris edition. Clean bottom. It got all the Jordan's accomplishment at the bottom. Y'all know what this is. These is clean. I've seen these a couple times. I never picked them up. I just saw them a few times. I always think about what I could wear with them. But I saw them for a steal, so I swooped down and copped these. You know, it's nothing too crazy. I like the design. I don't know when they released, were they a Paris only release? I don't know if that had anything to do with it. But here, let me give y'all a close up. So yeah, I need to work on my light to get better light. But yeah, I like the design on the shoe. It's something different. I'm gonna give y'all better detail. When these look kind of iridescent, but it's a purple. It's a purple feel throughout it. I don't know if what this design is supposed to simulate. I love that tongue right there. I like how that looks. The inside of the insole is just purple right there. It's a 75. If y'all know what that means, get down in the inbox and let me know what that 75 is. Yeah, this is clean. This is my first pair of 10s. I could see me rocking these with just I was about to say a black tee, but I also could do it with some white and some khakis. I think that could go. I think that actually could go. Yeah, these is clean to me. That's one thing I appreciate about the 10 is plain is not really doing too much. I actually would say these are probably one of the more out there 10s. Most of them are a simple designs. Like those 10s on back, that's something I definitely want to cop. But yeah, y'all check them out. Let me know. Let me know in the inbox what y'all think about these. Y'all feeling these? If y'all think if y'all have any ideas for new content, get in the inbox. Let me know. Tell me if y'all think I should do something. What I've been thinking about is getting outfits from different stores, doing haul videos, and just showing y'all what I got from those hauls, and probably doing a little fit, seeing what the fit was like. Yeah, telling you if it fit good, if it's as advertised. Let me know if that's something y'all would like. I'm gonna try to keep on giving y'all this best heat, the best heat I can. All right, y'all. Y'all get down, get over there, subscribe, like, comment, share, refer to your friend. Let's build this channel up. Let's build the Dino Weston film up. Let's get these videos rolling in. I'm gonna keep on trying to stay on top of these videos and giving y'all the best time. I'm trying to switch it up a little bit, but this is what I got for y'all right now. These 10s, Air Jordan 10s, these is clean. These is clean. Tell me what y'all think about them, but these is clean to me. Probably seem like I seem like that, but it's just honest. Like I don't think I've took an L yet. But yeah, tell me what y'all think. Like, get in the comment box. Tell me what y'all feel. Share, refer to a friend. Subscribe, hit that notification button, and let's keep this thing going. All right, Dino Wesson out. Let's go.